I wanna fucking. Alright, watching a couple of friends play soccer it's during daylight, but it's a fucking real deal soccer field, so I can measure some yardages. Those guys are 100 yards away. They're down at like the other goal. This is a real professional football field, soccer field. So that's 100 yards. Maybe even more. Yo, is that other soccer goal at the 100-yard line, or a little bit short?
It's a little bit farther, actually.
It's a little bit further?
Yeah, soccer fields are a little bit bigger than football.
Oh shit, yeah, that's like 120 yards. Damn. Well, this is during daylight too, so I can't really get people to play soccer at night, so I'm just trying to get what I can get. Try some of the other palettes. Make sure the shit's on HD too. HD. Let's try some of the other palettes. That's pretty cool. That's boring for the day. That's pretty cool for the day. Yeah, in this mode I can barely see the people downfield. You can still see them about 100 yards. Still make out that it's definitely people. And that's I think that's white hot. This is black hot. That's way much better for the day at over 100 yards. This is the bird watching mode. Yeah, that's not correct for during the day. But for 100 yards, like even though it's daytime, this shit's pretty good, man. I gotta say. But I think predator mode is the most fun for during the day. Yeah, what up? Look. You could see like through the screen what I see if you want.
I've seen it, I can't do it.
Yup, what's good?
My boy.
What's up, bro?
You ready to get fucking annihilated? Dude, I'm already shot, bro.
So yeah. I mean, imagine at night, if they were 100 yards away, this would pretty much what it would be looking like on like white hot. Alright, I think I'm gonna sit back at the 20-yard line and like observe, try to get maybe back further. This shit's pretty fucking clear for a $300 unit, less maybe even. So where am I? That's the 30-yard line. Maybe the 40-yard line. Those are the other dudes, I don't know. They're about 60 yards away now. We got some people. Oh, there's a man, and it looks like his son walking out there. They have to be about 100 yards away. Looks like they're walking to their car, maybe. Wow, this thing is really, really, really good during the day, so. Everybody's all red now, super hot. They're all warmed up. See if I can get the goalie. That's about the best focus I can get on a goalie from 40 yards. That's pretty good. Let's see, his hands are. Those are those dudes I don't really know. They're like 60 yards from me. And is there a house back there? Where's that house? Oh, that red blotch is a house. Probably see it with a different, maybe a different filter. No, predator mode is like best during the day. What's that? That is some other building that's very, very far away. I would have to say like 300 yards as well. And that building right there. Another building that's probably about 200 yards away. Those are the baseball fields over there. There's dugouts over there. Let me see if I get the dugouts. Oh yeah, there's the dugouts. You can make out the dugouts at like 50 yards away. The other dugouts probably. I can't really make it out. It looks like a lot of bars there, but the other dugout's about 75 yards away. So this thing has got the resolution and the clarity and the distance and the temperature measurements. Let's fuck around with the temperature measurements, see, and I gotta set it to like, they're really far away. I'll set it to, well, the max is 20 meters. Let's see what we got. So it's saying it's about 50 degrees out. I can do because I've done it with deer and stuff. Alright, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm getting a little cold. I didn't know how to dress. But I am definitely happy with the footage that I got. I'm gonna walk it in. See, this is where thermal comes in. I'm trying to like I can hear a kid playing. I know he's on the playground, and then you can kind of make him out there. Right there. But I can't see him through the regular camera, but that's where the thermal comes in. It just like, you can just spot shit from far away that you can't see, even with your naked eye. Like, that playground is like, it's gotta be 200 yards away. And I'm making out human figures. I think it's a man and his child, or a person pushing a stroller. I can't see it with my naked eye. Damn, there's somebody all the way back there. How far back is that? That's crazy. This thing really shines during the day too. I gotta say, like, I'd only be using thermal at night, but those people are easily 300, 400 yards away. That person was a little bit closer. Pretty crazy stuff. Pretty impressed. Alright, looks like everybody's already getting tired. Bunch of bitches worrying about it when I gotta go to work and shit. Alright, I'll see you guys later.